How to recover Google Drive files from a deleted account. You can reinstate a deleted user account, including administrator accounts, for up to 20 days. The data is lost after 20 days and cannot be recovered. If you deactivate a user without transferring files, the user's files are erased 20 days later. You can recover the deleted user and transfer ownership of their data before they are permanently erased if you act soon. Recover data from a lost user account on Google Drive. After a user is removed, you have up to 20 days to recover their account and data. Transfer ownership of the user's files to an active user after the user has been restored. Delete the original file owner's user account.